guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my first toy review. So, let me show you how I built it. So I made Spider-Man, then I built Spider-Man's house, and then I built the bad guy, which is an alligator, of course. And I built his house, so let's play with it a little bit. Hello, crocodile. What is it? Time to fight me. Ow! Here you go. Ow! Oh, let's get this. Stick this to your car. Ha! Now I got your car. Get my car out. Ah, you got it off. Ha ha. Now, time to drive into it. You bet. Bam. Oh man, it broke. I have to put this on. No, I just have to put these characters in the car. Okay, so I like this Spider-Man and this alligator. I really like the alligator much than the Spider-Man. But it was a lot of pieces. It took so long to build, and it was kind of fun. So if you have it, then you could play with me, but not, it's okay. So let's play with it some more. Yeah! Okay, alligator, you bet for this. Spike! Ah, here you go. Comment, like, or subscribe if you like that video. And that's the end. Peace.